welcome back to another video. This is the Sugar Rush crew, and if you don't want to, you don't have to hit the like and subscribe button. You don't have to. Okay. And these are some people that you might see. This is Braxton. Yep. Sylvia. Sister. Big forehead. Remy. Hi. And then I gotta go upstairs. I'm Connor. And this is Jacob. Right here.
I'm not showing my body. I do not have a shirt on.
Yeah, he doesn't have a shirt on, so I'm not going to show it. This is Jacob.
Well,
This is Ronan.
It did not show me.
And
It didn't show me at all. It did show Ronan.
This is
But
Ronan.
it did not show me.
Jacob.
Hi.
And that is the Sugar Rush crew. And all we wanted to show was us. And this is our first video. We don't really have anything planned. So, yo, we out.